To make a keyring, start by placing the metal front into the first die. The metal edge should slot easily into the groove in the die. Next, place your artwork on top, face up. Then place one piece of plastic film on top of your artwork. It's important to only use one piece to prevent the machine from jamming. Move the grey ring onto the first die and turn the centre punch so it looks like a top hat. Rotate the dies so the first die is directly under the handle and pull firmly down. Place a metal ring in the second die with the sharp edge facing up. Move the grey ring and top hat onto the second die, then turn the top hat upside down so it fits into the grey ring. Rotate the dies again so the second die is directly under the handle and pull firmly down. As you can see, the top hat should be pushed all the way down onto the die to ensure the keyring makes correctly. Lift off the grey ring and top hat and remove the keyring front. To finish, simply push the keyring front and back together until they click.